After Diwali, we didn't get more phone launches in November, but this December seems to be more exciting than any other month in this year. So here are the upcoming smartphones in December 2023. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Starting with OnePlus 12. It is about to launch in China on December 12 and in mid-February in India. And that specs makes me more exciting. It has 6.8-inch 2K 120Hz LTPO OLED display with peak brightness of 3000 nits. Yes, literally 3000 nits. I don't even know what we can do with that most brightest display. And this runs on the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. And coming to the storages, we can expect up to 24GB of RAM and 1TB of ROM. What we can do with that 24GB of RAM? And 50 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide camera and 64 megapixel telephoto zoom lens. The battery capacity might be increased this time when compared to the previous versions of OnePlus 11. This time it comes with 5400 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging technology, and it also have IP64 water and dust resistance. And next, iQOO 12. It is just confirmed to launch in India on December 12th, and this is the first phone which is coming with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in India, and this phone is already launched in China. This time iQOO is completely changed the design and the new look is really satisfying. Next, vivo X100 series. Honestly, I was shocked and impressed when I looked into the camera samples. It has 6.7-inch 2K 120Hz refresh rate AMOLED display. It comes with Dimensity 9300 in vivo X100 and X100 Pro, and with 8 Gen 3 with vivo X100 Pro Plus. It has 50 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel portrait lens also. And this has IP68 rating which supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 also. The Poco X6 Neo would be launching under 20k, but it seems to be rebranded version of Redmi Note 13 and Note 13 Pro. Coming to the specs, it has 6.6-inch flat 120Hz AMOLED display and with Dimensity 6080 processor, but not much powerful one. And the camera setup, we can expect 64 megapixel primary camera and other 2 useless cameras. But the good part here is it is coming with IP68 water resistant. The next phone which is launching under 30k in China as Redmi K70, but when it is coming to India, it is rebranded as Poco F6, and this has same 6.6-inch 120Hz flat AMOLED display and the last generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor or Dimensity 8300 processor. With that, we can expect 200 megapixel triple camera setup and a monstrous battery of 5500 mAh with 90 watts fast charging technology. And the Oppo 11 series is expected to launch in this December, but I personally not much interested in this because there is no much huge upgrades when compared to the previous versions of Reno series. Coming to the price, 40k are the phones under Honor, the Honor 100 series. Coming to the specs, this has 6.7-inch 144Hz curved display, and this has Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 in Honor 100 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in Honor 100 Pro. Both have 50 megapixel triple camera setup and 50 megapixel selfie camera also. Alright, these are my list of upcoming smartphones in December. Comment down below for which phone you are excited and subscribe to get latest updates from our channel. Bye bye now.